Know your customer, Part 2. What is the job title of the person you are speaking to? For example, a director. A director handles the day-to-day business and financial operations of a company. A department head. A department head may be responsible for a team. A personal assistant. A personal assistant or PA is usually a person that assists another. A PA may make inquiries on behalf of the boss, but they are not the boss. So to recap, the person you are speaking to must be the decision maker. If the person you are talking to is not the decision maker, the company may deny that it entered into business with you, and you might not get paid. What else could be stopping you from getting paid? Try our free cash flow calculator to learn more. Visit johnsonmay.com/invoices.